It's fun to be outside in a place where the sun never sets. You can only get there by plane or by river. I work in the North Pole in the Central Siberian Plateau in Russia, and I am an aquatic biogeochemist, and I study the effects of fire on stream chemistry. The tool that I'm going to talk to you about today is sampling. Streams are constantly changing, so we take multiple samples in one spot so we can get a better representation of the stream in that location at that moment. We collect all of our water samples in small plastic bottles. And these bottles are a quick representation of what the stream looks like at that moment. And we use these small bottles to take back to the laboratory, and there they're analyzed for all the different parameters that we want to study. And these samples ultimately become the data that we work with. It's getting warmer in the Arctic, so warmer temperatures along with less snow or less rain and adding in a lot more tree and vegetation growth are all creating a recipe for increased fires. An event that used to happen every 100 years is now happening every single summer. So these fires are leading for more nutrients like nitrogen to be moved into the stream. If there's too much nitrogen in the stream, it can lead to more algae in the rivers. And with more algae in the rivers, it can lead to fish dying. And this is important because the people that live near these rivers consume the fish from the river and the water. So excess nitrogen can be bad for the people that rely on the river for fishing and for drinking water. So a small portion burning will have a local effect, but if the entire Central Siberian Plateau burned, then it could have effects into the larger rivers and the ocean. One of the great things about being a polar scientist is that we get to work in some of the most beautiful places on the planet. And we need more polar scientists in the future so we can continue to learn the effects of climate change on these regions, but also learn how to help our planet be better and minimize the effects of climate change on our planet.